One other thing, Sergeant. Out here, we play winner take all. No use leaving all those repeating rifles lying out there to rust.
Never thought of that. Go out and pick up them fast-shooting guns. Anything else you happen to like. You're a man after my stamp. Wish we'd have had you with us at Bull Run. We might not have run so fast.
Oh, I want to tell you something. I was with you at Bull Run. So was High Spade.
Only we was on the other side.
Good luck, Sergeant.
Goodbye, boy.
See you again.
So long, Sergeant.
Lynn! Before you go, this is yours.
Oh, yeah.
The last one's still there.
Ah, so it is.
May I have it? You just never know when a girl might need a bullet.
Sure, if you want it.
I want it.
Hey, Sarge! Look at this. Look what I found on this one.
Oh, he was their chief. I saw that Lynn fella drop him. Real pretty shot. Well, now. Dodge City rifle shoot. Won by... Don't say who won it.
Do I get it?
No. Some officer take it away from you at Fort Bascom. It's too good for an officer. No, it rightfully belongs to... Hey, Lynn! Steve, I hope you won't think this is second best, but one of you fellas ought to have this.
It's a real fine gun.
Take it with the thanks of the U.S. Cavalry to protect your lady. And I wish it was a congressional medal for bravery. You earned it. Help you in, man?
That one's 'cause you're real pretty.
Oh. Goodbye, ma'am.
Bye.
Goodbye, Steve.
Goodbye.